Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Paul from Martial Business Matters coming to you again from the 2022 Martial Arts Supershow here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the Caesars Forum here for the Supershow. I'm going to do a quick run around the building and I'm going to try and find some people to chat to about their products or their programs. Stay tuned. Hey folks, it's Paul from Martial Business Matters. I'm here with Doug and Heather Thomas of GoBo here at the Martial Arts Super Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas, Nevada Martial Arts Super Show 2022. And Doug and Heather have developed a really cool device called the GoBo, and I'm going to let Doug tell you a little bit about it. Doug?
Yeah, it's a modular martial arts weapons kit. In this one kit, I have 27 weapons that I can make with it. I can make a 1-foot stick all the way up to an 8-foot staff just by connecting the different pieces. I also have attachments for tonfa, kama, and nunchucks. I can even make a 3-section staff with this one kit.
That's really cool. And Doug, you say this is in pre-production?
Yes, it is. We're just trying to get the word out and develop some,
interest.
Interest, yes.
Drum up some interest. All right, well, maybe we can help you with that. The site is GoBo4Dojo.com, and the site is, the product is GoBo, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more. Hey folks, welcome back to the Martial Arts Super Show, Las Vegas, Nevada 2022. This is Paul with Martial Business Matters. I'm here with Clyde Milligan of Blue Training Systems, and he's going to tell us a little bit about one of the new products that he has on the market right now.
Yeah, thanks very much. It's a handcuff that's designed for training and that there's no key. So if officers come to your dojo, they can practice mechanical, physical control to mechanical without wasting time in finding their cuff key. So it's fast on, fast off, which increases the training iterations of physical to mechanical control. The other benefit of having a dedicated set of training cuffs is the officer doesn't have to bring her handcuffs to training, which may be contaminated with bloodborne pathogens from a street arrest. So yeah, they fit into all the scabbards, they don't fall out during training, and they're fast on, fast off. So more time spent in the takedown instead of fumbling around for handcuff keys.
Fantastic. And what would be your number one reason to buy?
Safety, efficiency, and training. Me buy already? I don't have to buy it.
That's 3. Hey, thanks a lot, Clive. Thanks for your help.
Paul. Thank you.
I would love to see
All right, everybody, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to more videos from the Martial Arts Super Show, Las Vegas, Nevada 2022. Like, subscribe, don't miss an update. Thanks.